with broken plugs like this. You would probably throw them away immediately, right? But don't be so quick, because that would be such a waste. Today, I'm going to share a very simple but highly effective repair trick that anyone can do. Normally, when a plug is completely broken off like this, replacing it with a new one is the easiest and most reasonable solution. However, we don't always have a spare plug available at home, and it's not always convenient to run to the store just to buy one. That's why many people look for a repair method that is both simple and practical. And with this method, I will only use basic items that are already available. So if you ever face the same situation, you can easily follow along in a safe way. After the two wires inside the plug are exposed, I strip off a small part of the outer insulation from each wire end. Here is the power cord of the device that I need to reconnect to this plug. I also separate the two smaller wires inside. Just like with the plug wires, I strip a little insulation from the ends of these two wires as well. After securing the plug firmly, I apply a little solder to the copper core of each wire. Now I can set the plug aside for a moment, and I will solder the wire ends of the power cord in the same way. So that part is done. Next, I prepare the next tool, and it is simply the plastic straw from this milk box. It must be a plastic straw. Nowadays, paper straws have become popular, and many families use them. But for this project, we really need plastic ones. I cut the straw into two equal-length pieces. These two pieces will be slid onto the wires first. After we connect the wires, they will help protect the joint. If possible, it's still better to use proper heat shrink tubing, but since I already have the straw nearby, I will use it instead. Now it's time to connect the wires back to the plug. One important thing to remember is that you must connect the correct terminals. Otherwise, electricity will not flow properly. Usually, in cables like this, The two inner wires have different colors to represent the two poles. And just like that, the plug has been successfully reconnected. However, it still doesn't look very neat or aesthetically pleasing. So I think I will wrap some thread around it as an outer protective layer. By the way, have you ever tried repairing a plug like this, or even making a new plug yourself? What method did you use? Please share your experience in the comments so everyone can learn together. And it would be even better if this repair tip could be shared widely in your community so more people can benefit from it. After wrapping the thread, I simply apply some super glue. This glue is liquid and dries quickly. Once it soaks into the thread and hardens, the entire wrapping becomes extremely strong and durable. So in today's video, I have successfully shared a very effective, easy, and safe way to repair a broken plug. If you ever encounter the same situation, feel free to give it a try. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future ideas. Thank you so much for watching.